Do you know what a briefing is? It is a document that summarizes all the information needed to carry out a project. With a good briefing, communication will be clear, changes will be minimal, and the work will be completed quickly. Follow these steps. The first thing you should do is set the budget and delivery date. Define the stakeholders and project goals. Describe the target audience. Establish creative guidelines, communication tone, branding book, etc. Create an action plan with all the detailed steps. And there you go. This way there will be no misunderstandings. The work will be done on time and within budget. Another satisfied client.